be getting French toast. Tokyo sake sipping in the robe. Yo, Japan, done my we got toe. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. I got that thing. I got that thing. Yeah, I got that thing. I got that thing. Yeah, I got that thing.
Je veux des French toast avec du sucre. Le matin, le soir, j'en veux tout le temps. Que quelqu'un me prépare des French toast. Du pain perdu quoi. J'en peux plus. Que quelqu'un m'en fasse. J'en ai trop envie.
I got that thing. I got that thing. Yeah, I got that thing.
Joyce masipag na bata. Talagang pala-aral.
Lagi niya po ako inaalala.
Masipag sa bahay. Yun.
Stop for just one moment. Take it all into view.
Sobrang happy kami kasi talagang inantay namin siya. Nabago yung buhay namin. Ako natutunan ko talaga personally yung unconditional love because of her.
Na-enjoy mo lang yung pagiging dalaga mo. Thank you. Happy 18th Bungkan!
So let it rain down, let it pour me out to the water. Let it float around till I can't ignore. Let it call me out for something more.
Alam naman namin sa pag-aaral niya, walang problema. Yeah, siguro yung paghahanda niya in the future, mga gawaing bahay, matutunan na niya.
Gaya ng sinabi mo, di ba, constant yung changes. So, dapat marunong lang tayong sumayaw sa agos ng buhay.
Happy birthday, Joyce!
I am so proud of your academic achievements. Sa SNA, kilalang-kilala to eh.
Secret ng success yung paggalang at pagsunod sa mga magulang. Happy birthday.
Ngayon, ang tanging wish ko para sa kanya yung kanyang pag-aaral, kasi half scholar siya ngayon maipagpatuloy niya. At sana, mas pagbutihin pa niya para makamit niya lalo yung pinapangarap niyang tagumpay.
So let it rain down, let it pour me out to the water. Let it float around till I can't ignore. Let it call me out for something more. For something
Happy birthday, Ate Mel. Thank you for supporting me and take caring me. Thank you talaga. Thank you for loving me.
Anak, Ate Miel, proud daddy nandito. Pray ko naman, wish ko sa'yo na lagi kang maging successful. Tapos lagi kang i-bless ni Lord.
Welcome to adulthood. I'm so proud of the beautiful, strong, and kind woman you're becoming. May your journey ahead be filled with love, laughter, and endless blessings.
Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo and stay beautiful inside and out, gaya ng mami at daddy mo.
Happy birthday, Joyce!
So, stay humble and I wish na lalo mong pagbutihin yung pag-aaral mo and mahalin mo yung kapatid mo. Maging mabuti kang anak, mabuting tao sa iba. God bless you. I love you.
Let it call me best is yet to come.